Good morning students. Today we will discuss the exercise of chapter 12. Before starting the exercise, let's see the web chart. Modern means of air transport include helicopter and aeroplane. Modern means of water transport include boats and ships. Modern modes of land transport include bicycles, motorbikes, cars, buses, railways and metro. Cars driven by the animals are a popular means of travel in rural India even now. Over time, means of transport have developed and become more modernized. When people travel within a country, they take a domestic flight. When people travel from country to another, they take an international flights. We should always wear seat belts and helmets. We should only walk on the footpath and cross the roads only at zebra crossing. Khardang La in Ladakh is the highest motorable road in the world. Khardang La in Ladakh is the highest motorable road in the world. So students studied all these points once and underline the main points. Now we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. See page number 246. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Transport is the dash of every country in the world. Transport is the lifeline. L-I-F-E-L-I-N-E. Lifeline of every country in the world. 2. The flights that take off and land within the same country are called dash flights. The flights that take off and land within the same country are called domestic, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic flights. 3. The flights that take off in one country and land in another are called dash flights. The flights that take off in one country and land in another are called international flights. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, international flights. Number 4. Ships carry dash and other heavy material. Ships carry oil, machines and other heavy material. Number 5. Dash are the oldest means of transport. Animals are the oldest means of transport. So, fill in the blanks is over. B. True, false. 1. Aeroplanes land and take off from airports. Aeroplanes land and take off from airports. Is it true? Yes, it is true. T-R-U-E, true. Large amount of spices can be sent to any part of the world by carts. Large amount of spices can be sent to any part of the world by cart. It is false. 3. Heavy machinery can be easily transported by cars. Heavy machinery can be easily transported by car. Is it correct? No, it is false. 4. A large number of people and goods can be transported by air. A large number of people and goods cannot be transported by air. It is false. 5. In villages, people send cargo from one place to another by aeroplanes. In villages, people send cargo from one place to another by aeroplanes. Is it right? No, it is false. Now, true false is over. Now we will move on to C. Match the following. First, vehicles. Vehicle is the means of transport. Go with B. Number 2, bullock cart. Bullock cart is a land transport. Go with A. Number 3, flights. Flights are air transport. Go with E. Cargo. C. Goods. Go with goods. Number 5, ships. Ships are water transport. Go with D. Exercise, students. Exercise D, question answer we will do in the next class. Write all the exercise in your copy and learn it properly. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.